Hey everybody, this is day 15 and 16 of unboxing this beer advent calendar. Wasn't able to do a video yesterday because I died and I'm, almost fully alive. Probably be back to my normal self by tomorrow maybe. I don't know. But yeah, I died this week and it was pretty, awesome. It was pretty awesome. I didn't legit die, but like I did a lot of drinking, obviously. So yeah, I totally, it was, well, anyways, Christmas parties, they happen. And for some reason, everybody likes to do a Christmas party on the same weekends. And then you have other obligations that you have to do. And it's just like drinking. And I got drunk. Drink, drunk. That's what I got. So let's do it. 15, 16. Woo-hoo! Anyways. What do we got? On day 15, we have this wonderful... Oh, fuck, dude. Do they ever have just regular ass fucking names? Kinru Blue. I'm pretty sure we had one of these. Let me check. You know what? We did have one of these. I had it the other day. I forgot that I drank it. It's a Belgian White Ale, and it was very coriander, very very light on like the orange flavor of like what you can get from like the citrusy tones of a Belgian White Ale. If you like Belgian White Ales and the flavors of it, this is a lot more subtle. It's the nice way of saying it is soft. Like super soft. If you don't like Belgian White Ales, you'll probably like this, but I will say that it seems like the tasting profile from all of these beers are just like barely well balanced, and I say that because Aldi's obviously is committed to buying shit that their customers will drink, and therefore they have to get something that's going to be like well balanced. And I can't say it tastes like shit, but I can't say it tastes great either. So, that's the best way that I can say. If you like Belgian White Ales, it might not pack the flavor that a lot of them do, but like you do get those little tiny hints of coriander, the other little small bits that you get from that shit. But it's alright. You know what I'm saying? And then we got, oh shit, this is another Bocker. Check this out. 3 days worth of Bockers, right? Like, come on now. Like, that's... I don't know how much these boxes are, again, because I got it for free. Free 99. No, not free 99. My wife got it for me. I did not jack it. But I will say, that's fucking lazy, Aldi's. And let me say why it's lazy. It's lazy because, one, you've got like all of those... You have all those options for like one wholesale and how you're gonna distribute your fucking beers, but there's a lot of fucking beers out there. Like, you could have at least did one of each beer, or I don't know, I don't fucking know. Like, I know if I had an advent calendar, it's gonna be one of it's gonna be a different beer every one. It's not gonna be 3 of the same ones. This is day 1, 2, or 3, I don't know, but all I know is when I drink all of these beers on Christmas Day, and I do my tasting video then, I'm going to be drunk off the same shit. So it's not going to be as fun for me. Actually, I probably won't remember. It's going to be fun for you guys watching, because by the 24th beer, you'll probably be like, what the hell did he just say? Tune in. We'll talk more later.